When it comes to email marketing, Sendinblue and Drip are two of the top platforms available, but which one is truly more powerful for your business? In this video, we'll break down their features, pros and cons, and help you make the best decision for your needs. Stick around till the end, because you'll find out which one I personally recommend. First off, Sendinblue is known for its user-friendly interface and strong email marketing features, including customizable email templates, automation workflows, and a robust CRM. It's an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses because it offers a range of tools at a competitive price point. However, when it comes to advanced automation and deeper integrations with e-commerce platforms, Sendinblue doesn't quite match up with Drip's capabilities. Next thing to consider, automation. Drip really shines here with its advanced automation features. If you're running an e-commerce business, Drip's automation tools let you segment audiences in a way that Sendinblue simply can't compete with. With Drip, you can create highly targeted workflows based on customer behavior, purchase history, and even abandoned carts, which is a huge advantage if you're serious about maximizing conversions. The third thing to look at is deliverability. Sendinblue's deliverability rates are impressive, thanks to their partnerships with major ISPs and strong email verification processes. However, Drip has a better reputation for ensuring your emails land in the inbox rather than a spam folder, which is crucial if you're sending high volumes of emails and need to rely on consistent results. Next, pricing. Sendinblue is often considered the more affordable option, especially for businesses just getting started. Their pricing model is based on the number of emails sent, rather than the size of your list, which can be a more cost-effective solution for smaller audiences. Drip, on the other hand, charges based on your subscriber count, which can get expensive as your list grows. So while Drip offers more advanced features, you'll be paying a premium for them. The fifth thing is integrations. Drip is built specifically for e-commerce, so it integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, this can make a huge difference in how well your email campaigns are executed. Sendinblue, on the other hand, offers integrations with a wide variety of platforms, but they're not as fine-tuned for e-commerce, which might be a deal breaker for some businesses. Next thing is customer support. Sendinblue offers solid support, including live chat, phone support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Drip also provides strong customer support, but it's more focused on in-depth, hands-on assistance, especially for advanced e-commerce users. If you need personalized help, Drip's team is great, but Sendinblue's support might be a little more accessible for beginners. Finally, both platforms offer great reporting and analytics, but Drip's reporting tools are much more detailed, which is important if you want to dig deeper into your customer data. Sendinblue's analytics are more basic, so if you're looking for deeper insights and more granular data, Drip may be the better choice. So, while both Sendinblue and Drip are great email marketing platforms, after trying both myself, I have to say that Drip's advanced automation, e-commerce integrations, and superior deliverability give it the edge, especially if you're serious about growing your online store. That said, these platforms are still excellent choices depending on your needs. But if you want an even more powerful alternative, one that combines the best features of both platforms and takes things to the next level, check out the first link in the description. With my exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and unique benefits available only to viewers like you. Take advantage of this offer and start building more effective email campaigns today.